Good morning. Today I'm going to show everyone how to create and make your video accessible to Schoology. So currently I upload all of my videos from Screencast-O-Matic to my personal YouTube account. And I want to show you how I do this. So the first thing that you're going to do if you have a YouTube channel is click on your icon and press your channel. From there, you're going to click on a video that you want to edit, and you're going to scroll down to Edit Video. There's a couple different ways that you can list your video. You can make it public, unlisted, or private. If your video is private, it's not going to show up on YouTube. You can click unlisted and then embed your link in Schoology. I'm keeping my video as public so teachers can access it. I'm going to press save. Another thing that you want to do is right here, is this video made for kids? So my video right now is more directed towards teachers because it's teaching teachers how to use Microsoft Teams, but it could be available for students if students wanted to use this down the road. So if you are clicking a video, you're going to want to click, yes, it's made for kids. And then you're going to want to click for age restrictions. Do you want to restrict your video to an adult audience? And it's already clicking, no, I do not want to restrict my video to viewers 18 or over. Then you're going to click on more options. The most important thing that you need to pick is allow embedding, so you can embed the HTML code in Schoology, and you need to make sure that you're picking the category education. These are the most important things to get your video up and running. All right, so if you have any questions, please send me an email and I'll get back to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.